Welcome to our video on Vertex AI Agent Builder, a Google Cloud tool that helps you build, train, and deploy machine learning models. As part of the Vertex AI suite, Agent Builder gives developers an intuitive environment to create conversational agents. These agents can understand and respond to natural language inputs, making them ideal for building chatbots, virtual assistants, and other interactive applications. Vertex AI Agent Builder has several compelling features. It leverages Google's state-of-the-art machine learning technologies for natural language understanding and conversation flow. It provides pre-built agents for common use cases, making it easier to get started. It also supports multimodal interfaces, enabling agents to interact via text, voice, and visual cues. Additionally, you can integrate it with various Google Cloud services for a comprehensive AI solution. Pricing for Vertex AI Agent Builder depends on your usage. You pay for the resources you use, like training and prediction units. There's also a cost for data storage and network egress. However, Google offers a free tier that includes limited usage of various Vertex AI products, which can be a good starting point. For detailed pricing information, refer to Google Cloud's pricing page. Vertex AI Agent Builder shines in several use cases. It's perfect for building chatbots for customer service, enabling 24/7 support with automated responses. It can also create virtual assistants for smart devices, providing users with a natural, interactive experience. Additionally, it's great for developing interactive games and simulations, where players can communicate with AI characters using natural language. There are many advantages to using Vertex AI Agent Builder. It leverages Google's advanced AI technologies, ensuring high-quality natural language understanding. It offers pre-built agents, speeding up development time. It supports multimodal interfaces, providing a rich, interactive experience. And it's fully integrated with Google Cloud, allowing you to leverage other services for a complete AI solution. Despite its benefits, Vertex AI Agent Builder has some limitations. It requires some knowledge of machine learning and natural language processing, which might be a hurdle for beginners. Pricing can be complex, as it depends on multiple factors. And while it's integrated with Google Cloud, it might not work as seamlessly with other cloud platforms. In conclusion, Vertex AI Agent Builder is a powerful tool for building conversational agents. It has advanced features and is backed by Google's AI technologies. However, it has a learning curve and its pricing can be complex. It's best suited for developers familiar with machine learning and businesses that are already using or considering Google Cloud. Here are the key takeaways. Vertex AI Agent Builder is a robust tool for creating conversational agents. It leverages Google's AI technologies, offers pre-built agents, and supports multimodal interfaces. It's ideal for building chatbots, virtual assistants, and interactive games. However, it requires some knowledge of machine learning, and its pricing can be complex. Thank you for watching this video on Vertex AI Agent Builder. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks again for watching. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on AI and machine learning. Thank you for your time and happy learning.